In today's lesson, we will learn about favicon. A HTML favicon is an image that appears in your browser. You will see your favicon if you bookmark a site on some sites that let you can embed links. A favicon makes it easy for a user to identify a site in their tabs list. A favicon is added in the head section of a web page. The head tag is where all the so-called meta tags and meta information goes. The meta information is detail about the web page itself, such as the title and favicon. Let's suppose you have finished your website using HTML coding. You want to add some flair. When someone visits your website, they should see an icon that identifies your website. You have your design ready and you want to add your favicon to the page. First, you have to make sure your image is either in ICO file or save it as PNG to preserve transparency. The file should be at least 16 file should be in 16 in size. Then convert the image into the ICO format using some desktop graphics application like Adobe Photoshop. So why we are converting to ICO format? We do so because browsers have many resolutions and favicons are used as shortcut icons. An ICO file will contain many PNG images inside to support different resolution and shortcuts. But ICO has its drawbacks, as we will discuss it in next moment. So you can use one of the many online tools out there to convert an ICO from a PNG image. Your browser will pick your favicon from by dropping the file on the root directory. As practice, let's add the favicon.ico to the index.html between the head tag and add the following line of code. So you can see in this tab there is a one icon, it appeared. So this is because of this line of code. Our image location is favicon.ico. This refers to the favicon file itself in the root directory. This one. The root folder is the main folder, usually the one in which an index.html file is placed. So you can take a favicon dimension 16 by 16, 32 by 32 and 96 by 96 pixels.